Hello everyone, welcome to NCRT 6 to 10 class in short. Today we will be continuing the discussion on the first chapter of grade 6 geography, the earth in the solar system. Before moving to the video, if you really like the video, like, share, comment, subscribe the channel and enable the bell icon. Click all for getting all the notifications. Let's have a word origin first. Geography. Many words may have their origin in some other language. The word geography is an English word which is formed by combining two Greek words, ge and graphia, where ge means earth and graphia means writing. Thus, geography means writing or description of earth. Similarly, geology means study of earth, formed from ge and logia. Ge means earth and logia means to study. Similarly, geometry. Geometry is the measurement of the earth, formed from ge and metria. And the shape of the earth, geoid, is resembling the shape or form of the earth, is formed from ge and oides. Isn't it interesting to learn the origin of words? Try to find the origin of some other words. Now let's recall what has learned so far. The sun, the moon and all those shining objects seen in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Celestial bodies which are made of gases and which have their own heat and light are called stars. The sun is a star. It is the nearest star to earth. The moon may appear in the night sky at different times in different shapes and at different positions. A full moon can be seen only once in about a month. It is a full moon night or Purnima. A fortnight after a full moon night, the moon cannot be seen in the night sky. This is a new moon night or Amavasya. Different patterns are formed by groups of stars in the night sky. These patterns are called constellations. Ursa Major or Big Bear is an example for a constellation. Saptarishi, that means 7 sages, is a group of 7 stars that forms part of Ursa Major's constellation. With the help of Saptarishi, we can locate the position of pole star or north star, which indicates the north direction. Celestial bodies like Earth, Mars and Jupiter, which do not have their own heat and light and which are lit by the light of stars, are known as planets. The word planet comes from the Greek word planetai, which means wanderers. So we have studied about planet as well as geography today. The earth on which we live is a planet since it does not have its own heat and light. Moreover, if we look at the earth from a greater distance, it will appear as shining like how we see the moon from earth. The moon we see in the night sky is a satellite of earth since it is a companion of our earth and it moves around the earth. The sun, 8 planets, its satellites and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. Now let's continue today's class. We will begin with the sun. The sun is the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. It is the ultimate source of heat and light for the entire solar system. But that tremendous heat is not felt by us because despite being our nearest star, it is far away from us. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. That's why we cannot feel that much heat. Now, the planets. There are 8 planets in the solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. We will be discussing each of these planets in detail. All the 8 planets move around the sun in fixed paths. These paths are elongated and are called orbits. Or we can say orbits are the paths of the planet by which it moves around the sun. Now let us see the peculiarities of each of these planets. We will begin with Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. It takes about only 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Venus. It is considered as Earth's twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of Earth. Mars. Despite the name red planet, it is the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system with a mass of more than 2.5 times that of all other planets. Saturn, with a prominent ring system, it is the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. Uranus, the third largest planet in the solar system, is Uranus. Finally, Neptune, it is the farthest and the coldest known solar planet. Now, what about Pluto? You might have heard about Pluto. Till August 2006, Pluto was also considered as a planet. However, in a meeting of the International Astronomical Union, a decision was taken that Pluto, like other celestial objects discovered in recent past, may be called as dwarf planets. So, Pluto is no longer a planet now. Now let's learn about our planet, the Earth. It is the third nearest planet to the Sun and is the fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at its poles, and that's why its shape is described as geoid. Geoid means an Earth-like shape. The only planet with the existence of life form is Earth. Earth has many favorable features that makes the existence of life possible. Let us see those favorable conditions that makes life possible in Earth. First one, it is neither too hot nor too cold. It has air and water, which are very essential for the survival of life. The air contains life-supporting gases like oxygen. These are the main favorable conditions, and hence Earth is considered to be a unique planet in the solar system with the existence of life, from bacteria to blue whale. When we look from the outer space, the Earth appears blue because 2/3 surface is covered by water, and hence it is also called blue planet. Now about Moon. Moon is the only satellite of our Earth. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of the Earth. Do you know? A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as planets move around the sun. So satellite can be told as a celestial body which moves around the planet like planet moves around the sun. Many of the planets have their own satellites. Moon is the satellite of the Earth. The Moon appears so big as it is the nearest celestial body to the Earth. It is about 384,400 km away from us. It moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes the same time to complete one spin, and hence only one side of the Moon is visible to us from the Earth. The Moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has mountains, plains and depressions on its surface which cause to cast shadows. Asteroids. Apart from the stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the Sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Scientists are of the view that asteroids are part of a planet which exploded many years back. Now about meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks which moves around the Sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes meteoroids come near the Earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction between the air, they get heated up and burned. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burned, falls on the Earth and creates a hollow. Have you ever seen whitish broad band like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night? It is a cluster of millions of stars. This band is the Milky Way galaxy, of which our solar system is a part. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named Akash Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Can you relate yourself with the universe now? You are on the Earth, and the Earth is a part of the solar system. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy, which is part of the universe. Think about the universe and the fact that it contains millions of such galaxies. How do you fit in the picture? Just try to do it. You are there in the Earth. The Earth is a part of the solar system. Solar system is the part of a Milky Way galaxy, and Milky Way galaxy is the part of the universe. Now some more interesting facts about the solar system. Do you know those who study about the celestial bodies and their movements are called astronomers? Aryabhatta was a famous astronomer of ancient India. He said that the moon and stars shine due to reflected sunlight. Do you know the speed of light? Light travels at a speed of 3 lakh km per second. Even at this speed, sunlight takes about 8 minutes to reach the earth. So, what will be the distance of the sun from the earth? Do you know? Neil Armstrong was the first man to step foot on the moon on 20th July 1961. As per the Indian time, it was 21st July, as there is time difference between the east and the western countries. Have you heard of human-made satellites? They are artificial bodies designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. It is carried by rocket and placed in the Earth's orbit. INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. are some examples of Indian artificial satellites. Many countries have developed their own artificial satellites for different purposes. So that's the end of our chapter. We will be discussing the question and answers of this chapter in the next video. Until then, bye.